In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Cloud storage bucket, ensuring everything is cleared out smoothly and effectively. Managing your cloud resources is crucial for maintaining an organized and cost-efficient cloud environment. Sometimes, you may find yourself needing to delete a storage bucket when it's no longer needed, or to prevent incurring unnecessary charges. Follow along as I guide you through this straightforward process using the Google Cloud Console. First, let's get started by accessing the Google Cloud Console. If you're not familiar, the Google Cloud Console is the web-based interface where you can manage all your Google Cloud resources, from virtual machines to storage solutions like our focus of today, cloud storage buckets. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Cloud Console. You may be prompted to log into your Google account if you aren't logged in already. Once you're in the console's dashboard, locate the left-hand menu where you'll see a list of Google Cloud services. Find and click on Cloud Storage, then proceed by selecting Buckets. This will take you to the page where all your existing storage buckets are listed. Here's where you can manage your storage buckets, including creating new ones, or, as we are about to do, deleting those you no longer need. Now, take a moment to carefully review your list of buckets. Find the specific bucket you want to delete and double-check that it's indeed the one you wish to remove. This step is crucial because once a bucket is deleted, all data it contains is permanently gone. When you're sure you've located the right bucket, check the box next to its name. Checking this box signifies that you've selected the bucket and are ready for the next step in the deletion process. Next, look towards the top of your screen and you'll see a Delete button become active once you've selected a bucket. Go ahead and click that Delete button. At this point, the Google Cloud Console wants to make absolutely sure you intend to delete the bucket, so it will prompt you with a confirmation dialog. This dialog is a final checkpoint to avoid accidental deletions. Before confirming, consider that if your bucket contains objects, such as files or other data components, the console will automatically delete all these objects before removing the bucket itself. Essentially, when you confirm the deletion, you're agreeing to remove not just the bucket, but also every piece of data it currently holds. After you confirm the deletion, the process is complete. The bucket, along with all its contents, is now deleted. This is a permanent action, so always be certain it's what you want to do. That covers the complete process. Deleting a Google Cloud storage bucket is a simple yet powerful task that helps in managing your cloud resources efficiently. Always remember to double-check which bucket you're deleting to ensure all essential data is backed up or transferred if needed. That's all for today's walkthrough. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.